Hope you guys are doing well here today on this lovely, lovely, lovely Tuesday we got here today. Yeah, let's throw some W's in the chat, man. Let's get some W's as we come on in, W's as we go on out here today. And we're planning to see W's all in between, all right? Let's do it. Nice way to start the Tuesday. Oh, it's Taco Tuesday today. Forgot about that. Magic Keys is free for 24 hours. Wow. No way. That's nice. That's nice of Russia. All right. What up, everybody? Good morning, David Tot. Good morning, Shiro. Good morning, Z Gamers in the house. What up, David? What up, Ghost of Me? What up, Big Folk Red? Christians in the building. Shub away 2 pros in the house. What up, Classic Trader? Good morning. Good afternoon. What up, Bradley? Hey, what's up, Classic Trader? Crypto Madden. Yanosh. Hey, super proud of you, Yanosh. What a night last night in the war room. What up, Leo? What up, Scott? Good morning, brother. Micah's in the house. What up, Micah? Hero of the day's here. Yeah, what up, AB? What up, Legend? Good morning, Unique. Uh-oh. What up? What up, Gotta Trade? Good morning, sir. What's up, Joseph Farley? Ex-football only. How you doing? How you doing? Ooh, look at this, gang. We may have a closure here. We may have a closure belowsure. Let's see what happens. Hold on, hold on, hold on. Shiro, what up, Green? Good morning, Green. How we doing, bro? Can you take me out of timeout? Oh my goodness. Timeout. Yeah, we'll get you out of timeout. We'll get you out. First timer, what's up? What up, Rob? What up, Rob BX161? How you doing today, man? Hope you're doing well. All right, yeah, no closure there, so we got to wait here on gold. Cat Studios, what's going on? Okay, cool. Let me just set up Zoom here, and we're going to get this day going, all right? How y'all feeling, though? It's Tuesday, baby. How many likes we got here today? We got 200 likes yet? 200. Let me get Zoom popping. Share screen. All right. Yes, it's becoming like clockwork now. Just repetitive. What up, Joe Stewart is in the building. Good morning, Joe. Good morning, brother Joe. All right, let me send this Zoom link out. Hey, if you guys aren't in our free Discord, you're more than welcome to come in, join our community. Come on in the free Discord. We got a ton of different channels here, a ton of different rooms. So whatever room works best for you, whether you trade Asian, London, New York, whether you are looking for some words of wisdom, whether you're just trying to have some trader chat, whatever you want to do, we got it all here. If you got some food, if you're eating good, show us what you're eating, man. Oh, damn. Sliders? Yeah. So, yeah, you got some desk setups. Let's see what you got. Let's see what you got. All right. Let me just send the Zoom link out here, and then we're going to get on our way here today, chat. You guys feeling good? You guys ready to go? Y'all feeling good today? All right. Yes. No more timeout. The L is so people like the stream. I like that. All right. Let me just send the Zoom link out. We're all ready to go. It was that you I seen that was like, why am I throwing W's? I don't know. I'm just spamming them, man. All right. Perfect. All right, everyone on Zoom, you'll have the link in just a second there. But hey, let's go, baby. Who's fired up? Who's ready to go? It's another day, another opportunity for us to be disciplined in the markets, to show up as professionals and get the job done, to take our piece of the pie and keep it moving, right? As traders, we're not looking to capitalize on the entire move and the biggest sniper entry, right? We're just looking to find direction, get a safe doorway into the market, and get our piece of the pie and, kind of get out, right? So, hey, good morning, Tito. Morning, brother. So that's what we're going to do here today, just like every other day. And we're going to start with taking a look at some of the news here. Let's go ahead and take a look at the news. I don't think we really have much today. Tuesday, yeah, not much happening today. Just a little orange folder here at 8:15. Shouldn't be much of an issue at all. I think the news is more so going to be coming in Thursday and Friday here this week, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, CPI's on Thursday, and then you have PPI on Friday here as well. So that's going to be our news. Up until then, we're pretty clear. Yeah, up until then, we're pretty clear here. So it should be another good, steady day. We don't have to really maneuver around anything or navigate around any crazy news here. So let's go ahead. Let's take a dive into the markets. Let's see where we're at in terms of price action, what price action is saying. Let's get rid of this white line, pull up the monthly time frame here, and get this breakdown going. Y'all, do we got 200 likes? Yeah, we got 200. Perfect. So let's take a look at gold off the monthly time frame here and kind of get an idea of what's going on, right? So as you guys know, we've been tracking gold for quite a bit of time here, and we know that we are in this rejection zone. I say this every single day. We've got 3 rejections here, 3 pretty massive rejections as well. And, price is kind of struggling now right around these areas from like 1980 to like 1920, right? Doesn't really know what it wants to do just yet on this monthly time frame. We did have a candle close below the range, which was couple weeks ago or a couple months ago, where this candle right here closed below the range, right? This bearish candle closed below the range, indicating that if that is breaking below that range, then we should have no problem coming down into this next support level and pretty much getting an opportunity to fill this range right here, right? But what's one thing we noticed? We noticed that the next candle here closed, but it closed back above the range, right? So this candle closed bullish back above the range, indicating that this right here may have been a monthly fake out, right? Fake out on the monthly time frame for price to continue up. Now we did break the high, but we shot right back down. We never really did much after that. Now we did close back above this support level here, this range here, so there is a chance that price can continue on up, right? Right now, if we look at this candle, we notice that it's bearish, but it could just be making a bottom wick, right? There's no top wick on here. That kind of tells me, just based off of the area and where we're at right now, that there may not be any bullish volume in this candle at all right here, right? There may not be too much bullish volume, and that's why price is just shooting down. And I think we discussed this maybe last week on Wednesday or Thursday. We talked about how potentially now this monthly candle here, if it wants to, it can actually close back below the range, right? And if this happens, then you should at that point start to see the push down for price to continue down. That would make sense on the weekly time frame as well, as we take a look at it here. But that's a possibility, right? So there's one of 2 scenarios that could really happen here on the monthly time frame. One, price closes bearish back below the range, looking something like this, and then we can have that opportunity to fill this range here, coming down to that support with this candle here. And then if we close below here, we have a lot of clean traffic to the left. And if we look on previous data here, what did we do last time after this rejection? We pushed all the way down here. All right, what did we do after this rejection? We started to push all the way down. So very high chance we could do something like that here today. So let's get rid of the whole arrows here, because we brought out the whole arrow. And that's scenario 1, right? That's the range we're in. But this candle right now could easily just push up, flip bullish, and fill the top of the range here, right? Looking something like this. So bullish, right? And then a push up to retest those highs and continue on up. So those are really the only two scenarios that we have that we could see here on price. So we don't have an answer to that yet, but we will have some clues and some more details as we move closer to the end of the month here on that. So let's take a look at the weekly time frame to identify really what's happening, right? Because all we see right now is a straight up like just consolidation here, right? Just prices got itself in a box. We're not really moving up, we're not really moving down, we're just kind of moving sideways here, right? So let's go figure out what's going on, get some more detail on the weekly time frame here. So taking a look at the weekly time frame, right, we notice that price has been just kind of chopping around in this range here, right? We haven't really been able to do much. We noticed that we were bearish. We created resistance. We had this support right here. Price finally closed below, but then it created a new support, right? And then what happened here? So after it created that support, we noticed that these candles tried to close back above the box here, right? But they weren't able to do that. These candles were not able to close. They rejected this support level right here, right? So if they were rejecting that support level, what's going to happen? Price creates resistance, continues on down, creates a new support, and then what happened again? Price started pushing back up towards this top of the box here, and we see another 1, 2, 3 rejections, right? 3 attempts, 3 failures, and price created resistance and now is, you know, starting to push on down, right? So one thing we could say is that if we're looking left, price will mirror what it did to the left hand side. So what do we notice? We noticed that price created a very strong bearish candle to retest that support. So what do we see happening here? Most likely 2 nice weekly candles that are going to come down and retest that low there. So that's what we're looking at. So we're pretty bearish based off the weekly. Let's take a look at the daily time frame as well here. Daily time frame is very bearish as well. We did create a resistance yesterday after creating a support. So chances are we can come down, fill this wick here today, which is down here at 1924, right? This is probably the target here for the day. We notice that we do have a support. We do have a resistance as well, and that's kind of the range that we're in right now. So today's daily closure will help us out a bit when it comes to making our way back down to like 1906 here. But as far as today, we have already broken the lows. We've created a top wick. Next destination is down here to fill this wick at 1925, right? So if we're going to look for positions today and try and be a part of that move, let's go down to the 4-hour time frame, see what's cooking here. What's one thing we noticed? We noticed a very strong support level right here at 1931. You see this very, very strong support level here. That's what we're trying to work our way through. We have not been able to close below that just yet. If we do close below it, then that's going to indicate that we should have volume kicking in. And if you get a candle to close like this, the next candle should be the driver to go on down to retest or refill this wick here, coming down to these like 1924, 1922 levels here today. So that's really the target for me, somewhere down in that range today. That's what I'm going to be looking to take advantage of. Let's go ahead and see how we can get positions based off the 1 hour and the 30-minute time frame. So 30-minute time frame is pretty clean. 1 hour is pretty clean, right? We have an obvious support right here that is pretty strong. This previous candle closed right below or right above it, right? This candle right here never closed below the range, therefore 0 sells. Looks like price did wick down, break the lows. I'm sure lots of people got activated on that and now are stuck in drawdown because they weren't really paying attention, right? Paying attention to that range, to that support to the left-hand side. So if we're going to look to take positions today, it's going to be pretty simple, right? Sells are going to be below 1930. We're also going to probably look to see if we can get a fake out in this range up here, and we'll take clean buys, you know, above 1937 here today. So what we're going to do is we're going to wait for sells below here, which is 1930, 443 here. Sells below. Those are going to be clean, right? We have this wick to fill coming down. If we can close below there during times of volume, you should see the push down to 1924 here today. We'll see if we can be a part of that. That would make sense. That would line up perfectly with this support level here as well. And that's going to be our target here. That'll be the target here, is that wick fill. And then what we can do also is if price does want to push up, that's totally fine here today, right? Totally fine. I won't take my buys coming up between 1930 and 1937. What I'll do is I will wait for a fake out, right? If we could potentially see a fake out or something right in this range, we can take our sells now coming back down at that point to look to capitalize on the move back down for this daily candle, right? So we could take our sells now on that candle right there as we continue down, and then we can get more sells back below 1930 here today to see if we can drive down for that daily candle. So that's what I'll be looking for. I'll be looking for a fake out somewhere around this level here, around 1935, kind of like what you've seen here, and then we'll take our clean buys above 1937 here. Cool. So that's the day. That's the day. Pretty clean, not too much in the way here. And we just got to wait, right? We just got to hang tight now, wait for the right opportunity to come. And when it does, we'll be all over it. So that is it. That is gold here today. Pretty simple. Pretty simple. Yeah, and then we can look to target these levels here for buys. So, right around these levels here. That'll be our first target, and then there's more possibility above there. And then for sells, that's it. Yeah, that's it. So very, 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 very clean. I'm definitely going to stay out of this zone here today. Right here. Not going to touch anything in there. I want to see if we can get a fake out right here at 1935. If we can get the fake out at 1935, then this green zone here will be all good for me. But if we don't get anything up top here, then I'll just wait for closures below 1930, and I'll take my sells coming down. I won't take any positions or buys above 1935. I will wait for 1937 280, and then I'll look to take my buys coming up. So that's pretty much the day. That's the day. Yep. Cool. So that's the day here on gold, and we'll keep an eye on what happens here. Like I said, if it pushes up, no problem whatsoever. Let's take a look at pound yen here as well, so we can get a read on that and see what's going on here. Let's go to the monthly. So taking a look at the monthly time frame here on GJ, we officially have closed bearish with that previous candle. So that is very, very good news. The weekly time frame is bearish as well. One thing we can say is that we did close below this level here, and now we're just making a top wick, right? So as long as this high respects the previous candle high, at any time this candle could drive down and then fill that wick down there to the left hand side, right? So that's what we're looking at here on pound yen. We're very, very bearish. Finally, so let's take a look at the daily. Daily did close bullish though, but it closed bullish with what, gang? No top wick, right? No top wick, kind of came up, made this high, and now coming back down. It looks a little bit like an exhaustion wick to me. 4-hour candle has no top wick on it just yet, but it is cruising down pretty nicely here. 1 hour, yeah, I wouldn't have taken that. So 1 hour kind of has somewhat of a celery play going on, but below here is super clean traffic, right? This is a nice range that we could look to take advantage of here. Let's see what the 30-minute time frame looks like. 30-minute also has a support right here that you may want to see a closure below at this point, right? Because you don't want to take a position right here when there's a support right there. So unless this candle pulls back and leaves room and range for us, then the next best option is just to wait for a closure below 181.715 here. So let's leave this range up here for now. Looks like we're kind of already gotten our range twos. If we do get a closure below, 182, then I think we're good to go to continue down here. So got to wait for a closure here. And then there's also pretty clean sells below 181.715. So Let me just mark this range off. Sells below. All right, perfect. Cool. So yeah, that's it. That's what we do. Yeah, because we would have been looking for fake outs here, but we never got them, right? So we kind of came down, created support, resistance. This became your range 2. Now we created a new support, a new resistance. If you can get a closure now below this 30-minute support, then you have this range to trade in. And if we trade too low and we close down here, then we just simply sit and wait for a new closure below the next range. But it looks pretty good. So just give this about 11 minutes. I'm not going to take it off the 15 because there's not that much room. But if the 30 can pull back or push down, then yeah, we could look to take positions today. Cool. Sound good? Any questions? Any comments? Any concerns?
Sounds real good.
Hey, there he is.
It's good.
What up, Johnny boy?
It's good, Nick. What's up, chat? What's up, everyone in Zoom? Happy Tuesday.
It's Taco Tuesday.
Chat, what's good?
We only eat ground beef, but we're gonna have to make it in taco form tonight.
Chat, good morning. Let's go, another day. Another day to be professionals. Follow our plan and be patient and be disciplined. Right? You already know what's up. Daily reminder, repetition to the mind. Let's go.
Let's go. Why you remove monthly percentage gain? It was our motivation, bro. Yeah, there's so many people confused about it. It's like, I don't know. So I just put trades taken. We'll see how that goes. What book would I recommend to read besides Rich Dad Poor Dad? Oh man, good question. Magic of Thinking Big. You have The Slight Edge. You have The Compound Effect. The Power of Positive Thinking. I think a lot of y'all need to read The Power of Positive Thinking. If you want to read a Forex book, I would recommend The Forex Mindset. What else? Yeah, maybe The 5 a.m. Club. The 5 a.m. Club is a good one. Yeah, a lot of good books. Start with those, and I think you'll be good to go. Nice to be here again. Can you share a copy of your trading plan? The trading plan, we don't have a copy of it, but we do have the journal. And then if you really want to see the trading plan, go check out the playbook video on YouTube. And that's pretty much our trading plan. Johnny Boy, congrats on the new Instagram. Hey, yeah, y'all go follow Johnny Boy on Instagram. What's the IG?
IG is Johnny Stu _.
Johnny Stu _. Just plugged them. Just plugged you, Johnny Boy.
Appreciate you, brother.
How can I get the books? You can order them on Amazon. The Power of Positive Thinking. Yeah, that's a good book right there. GJ has no top wick. He's still taking it? Nope. Oh, this one? Yeah, that's fine. We'll see if we get a closure below. If it won't sustain, it probably won't close below. So if it does close below, that indicates we should have, more volume and a push to continue down, but we'll see. Gold broke 30-minute highs here. Very nice. That's perfect. It's going to range for a little bit. No worries. Do you trade the same style as Raja? Yeah, I learned a lot from Raja. So yeah, we have a very similar, I wouldn't say it's the same exact style, but very, very similar. Great analysis as always. Oh, thanks, man. Yeah, let's take a look at pound. Yeah, I just want to make sure we have range 2s in form and like all that good stuff. So we closed bullish on the daily yesterday with very little top wick. Very strong bullish close here though. The weekly is bearish, right? And then the daily closed bullish with no top wick, leaving us a nice exhaustion wick. The 4 hour has no top wick on it. Same thing with the 1 hour here. So I think what we need to do is we should probably wait for the 1 hour, because if the 1 hour doesn't have a top wick, although the 30-minute candle closes, what we don't want to happen early before the NY open is the next candle come up to make that top wick while we're in that trade or something, right? Where it breaks the lows or something and then comes up to make that top wick, and then the 1 hour never closes above the range or something, right? We don't want to see that. So I think it's best that we wait for the NY open here. Morning, bros. Yo, yo. What's good? What's your age? 33. Do we have a look at indices today? Yeah. What hero of the day for you? Anything. You just let me know which one, man. We'll go take a look at it. 30 pip spread. Holy, it's probably a 3 pip. Hey, I just joined the Discord. What happens in it? The Discord is just a community. It's a community where every trader, we have over 4,000 people in the Discord now, man. Pretty awesome. But the Discord is a cool little environment that, you know, you can come on in there. You can basically have access to a trader's chat room where you just see a lot of traders just talking, maybe about some of the trades that they've taken, maybe about what they're looking at right now or whatever it is. Hey, I just got my new magic keys, you know, like just kind of just regular talk. Look at the day after people. Yeah, so you got that. You also have like beginners questions. So if you are a beginner, you can ask questions in here. If you're advanced, maybe this is a spot where you can maybe go help some people. We have this cool channel here with everyone's desk set up, so you can post your desk setup here as long as it doesn't look like this. No, I'm just kidding. If it looks like that, you're more than welcome to post it, because we want to see your transformation pick next year. Any crypto talk? Crypto's been a little bit slow, but any prop firm that you're doing, or lovely support. Okay, very nice. Yeah, everyone who passes their prop firm, next out here changing lives, dropping gems. Oh, nice. Yeah, I think I seen that earlier. Congrats, Mason. Congrats, bro. Big W for Mason, chat. Big W. But yeah, we have people passing their funded challenges, you know, getting payouts, all different stuff like that. So you can come in that room. We also have the book club. So if you're into reading, you can post your books in here. If you're not into reading, I highly recommend you get into reading. And you can probably find some books, some really good books in this section to read. Reading has changed my life, man. I wasn't a big reader in school. I didn't really. My mom would do my summer, what was that called? Summer reading back in like elementary and middle school. I wasn't Mr. Smarty Pants, but once I got a hold of some of these books that, you know, I was starting to read biographies about successful people and people who kind of came from nothing and made something of their life. And then, you know, reading books like The Magic of Thinking Big and Rich Dad, Poor Dad, it just, you know, kind of started giving me a totally different mindset, a whole different thought process. And, you know, that allowed me to start to, you know, step forward into, you know, the vision and the dream that I had for my life, with belief that I could do it, right? Because a lot of times growing up, we don't think we can do these things, right? If we look around, none of our family has accomplished anything big. None of our friends have accomplished anything big. And, you know, we just think, hey, you know, we're just like them. But, you know, you start opening up and diving into some of these books and start reading about guys and girls with, you know, second grade education that, you know, went on and created a legacy for their family, a legacy in life. And, you know, you could see that they were just normal people, right? They were just average people with above average ambition and vision, and they went after it. So it just goes to show you that success isn't this fairy tale. It's not something that's just made for the few, right? It's something that anybody can achieve, that anybody can accomplish if they put the right things in place, right? There's laws to success, right? There's laws that govern, you know, everything here. So if you can learn those laws, and you can learn a lot of them through reading, you'll be well on your way to being, you know, a success. Yeah. Yeah. Just got my first funded account today. Oh, nice. Starting phase 1. Beautiful. Audiobooks help too. I hate reading. My mentor used to say, "I didn't say you had to like it." But I fall asleep every time I read. He said, "Well, then why don't you read standing up?" See, you can never get an excuse past a winner. You can never get an excuse past a leader, right? They'll always give you a logical response back, right? When I told my mentor, "Hey, I don't really like reading," he just said, "Hey, I didn't say you had to like it." Right? "Oh, I fall asleep when reading." He said, "Well, then just read standing up." No excuses. Rich Dad, Poor Dad is one of the best mindset. Yeah, it is. It is. And I was very fortunate enough, very blessed enough to have a rich dad in my life. You know, not from when I was a kid like Kiyosaki did, but, you know, right around when I was 21, 22 years old, you know, I found myself a mentor and a rich dad. Taco Tuesday? Yeah, exactly. What's up, OG? What's your take on Andrew Tate? I like Andrew. He's got a lot of logical things to say. Right? Now, it doesn't mean I agree with everything, just like anybody, right? But I do like the majority of what he talks about. But yeah, so this is the book club, right? We got some art in the building too. Look at this beautiful stick figure we got here. Great job, Mario W. Beautiful drawing. That's amazing art right there. And then, you know, the food and all that good stuff. So yeah, and then if you guys want to post charts for the stream, we'll take a look at this in a second. You can post them in here. We'll kind of talk about, you know, the trade and stuff. If you can label them like this, that would be even better. So that way we can really have something to go off of, right? And then if you're trading Asian, London, or New York, there will be, or if you're if you're doing any of that, stop it. But yeah, no, if you're trading Asian, London, New York, you can plug into these channels, and there'll be people in there, you know, trading as well. Oh, what's this? Oh yeah, there you go. Bingo. Potential fake out, buys above there. So yeah, perfect. Perfecto. Yeah, and then that's it. And then if you guys are in the well, yeah, this you won't see, but if you do join the signals room, then you'll have access to the signals and the signals chat and all that good stuff too. The elite members, we got a section for the Time to Eat elite members as well. So that is the Discord. So that's what you do in the Discord. You just Discord it. You just do the do. Hey, Nick, would you mind checking my chart, please, on charts for stream? Yeah, let's take a look. Let's take a look. Did you label it? Is there any labels? Took this GJ loss at London session this morning, approximately 4 a.m. Eastern. The bias was bullish, and it was a 1 hour closure above. Price made a steep wick before breaking the highs. Do you see anything wrong with this trade, or is it just probability? Let's take a look here. So let's open it up bigger. So, okay. So, oh, wait. Where's the entry? Down here? Was this off the 30-minute? Yeah, which time frame did you take it off of? Yeah, tell me here. Tell me here. Tell me here in Discord. You get lost in the sauce on the chat. 1 hour trade. So what was the entry? Because it's the 1 hour time frame. Was it an impulse entry right here? Previous high. I'm confused. Which high? Which previous high? Fake out. Oh, I'm sorry. Oh, I'm sorry. I thought you got in over here. My bad. So you got in over here. I see. I see. Gotcha. All right. So yeah, so that makes a lot more sense now. So break of the high, you got to fake out back into the range on pound yen. Yeah, not bad. Not a bad idea. Fake out back into the range. The one thing about pound yen is the daily, I think, closed with no top wick, right? So you kind of had this exhaustion wick to the downside. Something tells me that pound yen wants to continue down here today, but not a bad idea, right? You had a closure back above this range, fake out, onion play, entry on the break of the highs. Yeah, nothing you could really do about that. Good trade. I think probability may have gotten you there, and also that daily candle close it with no top wick may maybe a little bit of an issue too there for you on those buys coming back up. But not a bad idea, right? This is a playbook position. Fake out back into the range. That's going to work 8 out of 10 times. Just, I think this was just one of the 2 times. Yeah. Yep. Other than that, great trade. Yep. Not bad. Not bad. Beautiful. Okay, so yeah, see how this candle closed way down in the range? There's not enough space here for us to take a sell because we have that support that we could potentially reject off of right here. So we're gonna have to wait. We're gonna have to wait for the 1 hour candle closure here. And gold coming back down. Okay. Yeah, a little consolidation there on the 30-minute. But yeah, going back to the trade, pretty good trade, right? Fake out back into the range on a bullish day. Playbook setup, couldn't really do much about that. Kept your stops where they should have been. You know, I think that previous candle was way too big of stops, and yeah, good shot at it, definitely. My bad. In the beginning, I thought you entered here, thinking what previous candle? In this trade, it was a 4 hour strong bearish, already broke the lows. Did that 4 hour close with, did that 4 hour open up with no top wick too? Is that, let me see. Oh, this is the 4 hour close you're talking about. Yeah, that's not bad. I don't blame you. Yeah, so nothing we could do at this point. Plan on entering AUD CAD short. Is that a good entry? I can't really see that. I can't really see the candles that much there. Yeah, I'm not too sure there because I can't really see the candles. I don't know what the daily bias is or any of that, so give me some more context so we could break it down. Nick, are you not looking for range 2 buys on GJ? On GJ? GJ, we're pretty bullish on the day, right? So yeah, so I think we could look to take our buys here on GJ, probably above. Yeah, probably above this resistance here. To make our way back up. Let me see what that looks like on the daily. That's the daily flipping bullish again. So yeah, I think we can look for buys above 182.206. Yeah, I won't need range 2 because we're bullish on the day there. So any closure above there will probably pretty much do it. excuses are simply obstacles made by your brain to stop you from progressing and moving forward. Exactly. Ain't that the truth?
So true.
All right, gold. GJ and gold pushing down here at the same time. The 1 minute. The 1 minute. How to get captions? I think you just have to hit settings, right? Or I think there's a yeah. You see, it says CC. You can get the captions right there. Nick, are you in a trade yet? No. So I actually put today's trades right at the bottom now. So now you guys, when you guys come in a little late, you'll know whether or not we took a trade today yet or what the deal is. Yeah, I don't think captions do work on live streams. That would be super duper quick AI, artificial intelligence technology. Learn English. Green's going to be teaching English classes on YouTube moving forward, guys. So you can go learn English on Green's YouTube channel. Is trading on the 1 minute a bad idea? No, not at all. I don't think there's any bad ideas. I think twice before leaving the stream to go to the bathroom. I don't. I go to the bathroom, then you guys all just run up and go to the bathroom real quick. What do you think about these robot trading for passing funded accounts? I haven't really thought much about it, but I mean, if it works for some people don't really want to learn how to trade, so they think some robot may help them. I think, yeah, but I'm not too sure. I haven't even looked into one. Probably won't ever. I just love the game too much to let a robot do it. What up, Nick? Hey, what up, X Football only? Bring out the whole ocean. Is scalping better for a small account? No. Scalping, swing, intraday, it doesn't really matter on the size of the account. It's really got nothing to do with that. What's the point of using a robot to pass? Are you going to be able to keep the account? Yeah, exactly. Yeah, if you get a robot to pass and then you're going to try and trade the live account, good luck. Good morning, Nick. Hey, what up, Nicholas? Why'd you change the monthly gain tab? Everyone was confused about it. Yeah, everyone was confused. Like, why is this one that? Why is that one that? So I figured we'd run the trades taken. We'll see how that goes for the next couple days. And if you guys want to change it back, we'll change it back. Yeah, everyone was asking questions. I am the robot. When people ask me if I've put my system on the robot, I say I am the robot. Right, John? John's a robot.
Oh yeah, you already know.
He's a robot. Yeah, give me 1 sec. I'll be right back. Gold? Gold is breaking the lows though very nicely here. I like this. I like this for like 8.15 here today. Yeah, 15 looking good. 30 looks really good. 1 hour looks really clean. We just got to get a closure, right? We've been down here quite a few times before. We need to close below this time.
I don't.
Shout me out, please. What up, Raja?
Yeah, chat. Program yourself to trade like a robot. Trade with zero emotions. Chat, what's good? How's your guys' morning been? Okay, good morning, brother. Aaron, bro, it's awesome. Joey Stu, good morning. The wave, I don't know. I don't know. Good morning, classic trader. Hey, C4, blessings on blessings. What's up, Bradley? Is your name Johnny? No, my name is John. People call me Johnny, though. Morning, I am Yogi. Hey, this is a vibe. This community is a vibe. What's up, Forex Frank? Hey, chat, let's just talk about our job today. You know, for the new people, what is our job today? Our job today is to execute on our edge when our edge presents itself to us, right? I say the same things every day, chat, but nothing changes, right? Every day is the same thing. So I'm gonna say the same thing every day, right? My only job today is to execute on my edge when my edge presents itself, right? And I must, remember, chat, I must be patient and I must be disciplined with my edge, because my edge is a high probability trade setup that doesn't come every time at the charts. So it doesn't show up all the time, right? So I must be patient and disciplined for my edge to come. And when my edge does come, I must execute without hesitation. Y'all got to get in that mentality, right? Once I accepted that and took action on that, my trading transformed, right? So just, this is legit repetition to the mind, hearing this every day. Like Scott, Red Effects, you guys know, like since the beginning, we've been preaching patience and discipline every day. And I'm sure y'all know that it's been working for y'all, right? So just hearing this every day and applying it to your life and taking action on it is gonna do your best favor, right? A unique, thank you. Hey, that guy TK, exactly. Exactly. It was me applying this every day, chat, that transformed my trading. It was me telling myself what I'm telling you every day that transformed my trading. right? Those of you who are worrying about how long your process is going to take, like you can't worry about that, right? Like you can't compare yourself to someone. You just got to focus on yourself, focus on your path, focus on your process, right? And the quicker you apply the correct actions, right, the quicker you will see those results. So how quick do you want to have that mentality? How quick do you want to have how quick do you want to be patient, disciplined, have a plan and follow it, right? The quicker you do that, the sooner you'll be profitable. And that is all up to the individual. How do you recover from a loss? By moving on to the next best trade, right? Losses are inevitable. Everyone takes them. It's okay to take losses. Healthy losses are great, right? There's a thing called healthy losses. So the best way to move on from a loss is focus on the next best trade.
Go ahead, little bro. Keep cooking. Keep cooking. Love the next 100 trade videos that you shared. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Puts things... See, I'm not the only guy talking about that, right? Now you see other successful traders, right, doing the same exact thing. Does having a standard account or ECN account or swap free, yeah, it does matter, because I think on some of those the spread or the leverage or the commissions are all different, so you got to look into that on your broker. What account size did I start trading with? Probably like I think my first account ever was like $300. Yeah, I think it was like 300. Take a caterpillar out of the cocoon too soon, yeah, and you get a goopy mess. Yeah, you don't want to do that. Same thing with life, right? You want to stay down till you come up, man. You want to stay down until you come up in life. What up, Wick the Kid? Thanks so much for doing the live streams. Learned a lot. God bless you, bro. Hey, God bless you. Wishing you all the best. Wishing you all the best, too. You talked about Magic Keys being free for 24 hours. What's up with that? I'm not too sure. I just seen somebody comment that in the chat, so I'm not exactly sure if that's true or not, or what the deal is.
Hi, Cap.
Dominion Market's a good broker? Oh, yeah. Did you pass your funded challenge on the first try? Nah, no way. Nope. Good morning, Daniel. When to enter, Professor? Give it 8 minutes and 20 seconds. Interesting here. Yeah, give everything 8 minutes and 20 or 7 minutes and 50 seconds. Short gold 5 minute. Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it.
Hey, Joseph. Stop worrying about what your account looks like at the moment. Don't focus on that. You're focusing on money, right? You're focusing on results. Stop focusing on what your account looks like. Just focus on trading, right? Focus on being the best version of a trader, right? For yourself, right? Just focus on the skill set.
Yep. 2% drawdown, it's not a big deal. You know, not too much of a big deal. The one thing I could say is don't try to feel like you have to recover that ASAP. You know, if I take a loss, let's say I take a 3% loss, you know, on my next trade, if I plan on, you know, taking partials at a certain point in the chart and that's only a 1% win, I'll take that, right? I'll take that and I'll climb back. I've done it plenty of times before. It doesn't take too long, but when you start trying to get it done ASAP and maybe start forcing trades, sometimes it pushes you a little bit further back. So what I would just do, like John said, you know, just focus on the next best trade and don't worry about recovering it on the next trade, but you'll recover it over time if you're taking high probability setups. So don't worry about the 2% drawdown, not too much of a big deal. I only blew a 500. Just a general question, why not take off your cap? My hair I don't know, my hair's a little messy, man. My hair's a little messy. Man, trading is so peaceful when you are trading within your risk and not over risking. Yeah, it is. Yeah, it is. I was over risking and stressing with every pip move, but damn, staying within the risk and on to the next one is peace. Yeah, it is. It is. That's a big secret. A lot of people trying to rush this thing, right? And that goes back to trying to get like a loss back ASAP too. It's like, you know, if you don't have a big enough move, you're going to over leverage on that trade, and that's never going to work out well. Next best trade. In Think and Grow Rich, it speaks of a mastermind group. Did you make one? Yes, I have. Yep, I have a very close circle. I have a close circle of mentors. I have a close circle of mentees, and we bounce ideas off each other. And I also study certain mentors who are dead already, but they wrote books and they have a lot of good information in there. Did you enter a trade? No, if you look on the bottom right, you'll see today's trades, so no trades taken yet. Are you waiting for NY Open? Yes, I am. Yes, I am. What you sipping on? I am sipping on excess. Some excess. Some good old fresh excess. You guys ever seen excess? You know what it is? Nah, you guys don't know what excess is. All right, gold. What do we got? What do you got for us here? $30 still has no top wick. 15 has no top wick either. If the next 15 can open up, give us a top wick for our new hourly top wick, break the 15 highs, that'd be awesome. That'd be awesome. Then break the low. What up, Red Effects? Good morning, bro. Would entering a trade on the 15 be a good idea around 745, 750? No. No, not in my experience, because you're coming into the last 15 minute of the hourly candle, and it's the candle before the NY Open. So, excuse me, typically a lot of times the volume will wait for the NY Open. So yeah, you may not get the best move at that time. Good morning, Nick. Hey, good morning, that FX guy. Quentin? What up, bro? Demo is so much easier. There's no emotions. Yeah, exactly. That's why honestly I never really traded a demo, man, because there really is no emotion. I mean, the only way I'll trade a demo is if I'm testing out like a concept. But other than that, I never was really interested in the demo thing. Buenos dias. Me no speak English. No sale yet? Nope, no sale yet. If we reach 1K likes, I do 100 push-ups. Ooh, chat, let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. So Legrand can get 100 push-ups in today. How much time till NY open? 1 minute and 25 seconds. Buenos dias. We need 1K likes. Yeah, we need some likes here, gang. Come on. 500. How many people we got here? 1,500. 1,000 people have not liked the stream yet.
Like.
I like the stream. Are you proud of me? Yes, I am so proud of you, Mark. Mark Maggot. I'm so proud of you, sir. Thank you very much. That means the world to me. Okay. So we got a closure here at 8 a.m. Price is going to make a top wick here. This first 15-minute candle is a bit wacky. So we're going to let that one pass by. 5-minute close with no bottom wick as well. So let's let a 15-minute candle close, see if we can get a top wick here, and then we will have sell stops to continue down and fill that wick there. Let's see. There you go. There you go, Jay. Just like as soon as the video starts and you ain't gotta think about it.
We're gonna get another. Would you look at that?
Possibly.
Let's see.
I look like the young ICT. Oh, look at this. NY open. Holy. My boy regretting saying 100 push-ups. We got volume, boys. Yeah, you see, once we had that closure below, volume. Man down, man down. Let's take a look at pound yen as well here. So pound yen closed right at that support. So nothing there for us just yet. Yeah, 1 hour candle closed right at that 30-minute support. So these push-ups are gonna hurt. Yeah, we got what? Almost 650? 650 likes. Can we get to 1,000? No, we didn't take anything yet on gold. Gold just dropped down in less than 2 minutes. So gold just dropped 24 pips in 2 minutes. Later. Morning, Nick. Hey, what up, FX Witcher? What time is it over there for me? It is 8 a.m. Eastern. 8 o'clock in the morning. Let's see if this move remains below here without making a top wick. I think we're going to come up and make a top wick. If we make a pretty steep top wick, we can possibly re-enter on the flip of this candle to continue down to fill that wick. But we need a steep top wick if we're going to enter on the flip. Aggressive execution. No trade day. Oh, wow. You're not so aggressive with it then. Nick, yesterday I watched your stream with Don Vo. It made me emotional, the credit you was giving him. Only true believers appreciate that. Oh, yeah. Private gang. Yeah, man. Yeah, it was a good combo. Do you often trade London too? Sometimes. Not as much right now, as London hasn't really been too active here in these summer months. But once like September comes back around, then it should start flowing again really nicely. Where can I find the Excel sheet? You can go to our Discord and just go to the announcement section, scroll up a little bit, and you'll find it there. Oh, what's going on here? If I would have just waited for my setup, I've been good on the day. When will I learn? What helps you stay on track? Because like when I'm in the moment, I forget patience. Yeah, man, I remember those moments used to take over me too. And all of a sudden, I'd show up to the chart with a plan. I was going to stick to it. And then all of a sudden, man, that plan just went out the window. And you know, I don't think I really had a real plan, right? I had a plan, but I didn't have the discipline to stick to a playbook and make sure I was only taking high quality trade setups. For me, I always go back to my why, right? I always go back to what's important to me, and that's my kids. And if I take a stupid trade and lose, then I think, man, I let my kids down. I let my wife down here today, right? So these are things that I just like to keep in mind to keep me from breaking my plan. So you got to find what it is for you that's going to keep you disciplined on a daily basis to, you know, stay out of the trades you shouldn't be in and be in the trades that you should be in.
Sure. Find that why. That why gives you that internal motivation. So when you wake up, you don't want to get up, but you remember your why. So you get up anyways.
Yep.
Sure.
Where could I find the journal? ! Journal, and then you'll see the link pop up in the chat. Leave a like, yeah. I'm a high risk taker? Yeah, that's fine. Just gotta know how to really take the risk and then take it high. Just stick to the game plan. Floyd Mayweather, there you go.
Sure.
GJ? GJ. Yeah, possibly. We are bullish on the day here, so that may be our bottom wick for us to continue heading north. So we'll have to see a bullish candle close, and then after we see a bullish closure, then we can potentially take our buys coming back up. Gold blade. Just took the 5-minute celery. Oh, nice. Very good. Beautiful. Blader. Why you only trade GJ? Oh no, I trade gold, GJ, and US 30. Nightbot on vacation? Yeah, Nightbot needed. Nightbot took a vacay. Paid time off. Nightbot got paid time off and medical benefits. US 30 analysis. All right, let's take a look. Let's take a look at the Dow here and see what we got going on. So weekly did close bearish with pretty much no bottom wick. One thing we could say too is that the weekly did close bearish, but above this level here. Right, so therefore we're probably going to create a support to continue up. Let's take a look at the daily close. Daily close bullish yesterday, kind of no top wick, right? So this kind of the range that the daily time frame is now trading in. If we look at the 4-hour time frame, it's a bit of a range there as well. We can move our resistance down a bit, and you got your support right there. So if we're looking for potential buys or sells today, how are we going to find that, right? Well, we're just on a very steep push down at this point. We don't know if we're creating this daily bottom wick or if we're looking to push all the way down and break the lows, right? So what's one thing we can notice here? If we stretch everything out, the next range that we have is probably going to be below this level here. Right, if we can get a closure below here, then you have an opportunity to fill this range right here. But if not, then you want to wait for a pullback, right? You want to wait for price to pull back and then start coming back down here. So we'll see what we can get. Let's go back to the 4-hour. 4 hours pretty bearish. Let's let this 4-hour candle close. That's what I'm going to be doing, and then we'll see where we're at the closure of that 4-hour and look to take positions from there. Wow, gold filled that wick beautifully there during the NY Open. Target tapped. And now look. Now we got clean traffic here to fill the rest of the range. Beautiful. Lots of room to go. Yes, sir. Let's see what this support looks like. Yeah. Yep. Pretty clean. Pretty clean. Pretty clean. Nice clean push though. You see how at one point, gang, this was an exhaustion wick, and then later on it became a target, right? Once this candle closed, that was a wick to fill, that was the target. So understand that too about exhaustion wicks, that just because you see a big wick right here doesn't mean that price is not going to sell off. That actually means if you get a closure below, the next candle should fill that wick. And that's what you've seen happen here, right? At the NY Open. Hey Nick, did you break your rules or playbook when traded off stream on your 400k account to be? No. Nope. No, I didn't break the rules. I just kind of figured out a way to snipe the bottom wick on the 1 hour candle. That was it. Yeah, and I just stacked positions. Yeah, I had about 20,000 to play with, so I was gonna risk it all at that point, right? Because it was either me get timed out on the challenge, or me blow the daily max drawdown, or me get back above to get a free reset and unlimited trading days, right? So I had 3 options there. So sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do. You gotta put your back against the wall and run it up. thing's a bleeder. Did you get the new account? Yeah, I got the new account. Yep. Yeah, man. Now I got a new account. I really wanted to make sure I kept that account too because I got that one on a promo and I got 92% profit splits for the life of that account. So there was no way I was going to lose it. Did you fail the 400K? No, I did a free reset. Let's see what 820 will do for us here on Goldilocks. I had my magic keys out. I was ready to go. What's the best funded? My Forex funds. My FTMO as well, but my Forex funds is probably the top right now, and their numbers are a lot better. Their targets and everything's a lot better with them. So I would go with my Forex funds. Their payouts are super quick. I'm sure the funded trader is just as good with payouts and everything, but I haven't gotten a payout from the funded trader yet, so I can't give you my opinion on it yet. What's a free reset? It's a free reset. Okay, is either cheaper. Yeah, I think my Forex funds has better pricing. Yeah. Yeah, my Forex funds is cheaper. GJ celery play? Yeah, but we don't know the direction here on pound yen yet, right? We have no direction yet. Did you fail the 400K? No, I did a free reset. So I was above break even. How much am I funded with? Just I'm funded with 100,000. Yeah, 100K account. This is my 100K account. Oh, 4 good gold sales? Nice. Very nice. Good job. Yeah, it was a nice move down. So a 15-minute candle closed just now. We're going to wait on the 30-minute here, though. We want to wait on the 30-minute candle to close, and if we get a closure belowsure, we'll look to take more sells. If we get a pullback, that's fine too. We do have 820 coming up. We may get a pullback here and then get a nice 30-minute closure to continue down. Do you use MT4? No, I use MT5. How do you determine how much lots you enter? I always enter 10 lots. Unless the stops are like 35, 40 pips plus, then I'll lower it. But at that point, I'm usually at this point now, I just use I use 10 lots on my 100K account, and I use 40 lots on my 400K account. How'd you become consistently profitable? By using the playbook and staying disciplined and consistent to it. Am I in a trade now? No. No trade.
How many trades per day? However many the markets presents it to us. Right, we're listening to the charts, right? When you ask how many trades per day, that's all up to the markets. It could be 0, it could be 2, it could be 3. All up to the markets.
We do a little trading. Why you never take a trade on US30? It hasn't really given me many opportunities here just yet in the last 2 weeks. I'm sure we'll get more into it here. How to get a free reset on the funded trader? You have to be above break even, number 1, and you just gotta wait till the time limits. Like I had a time limit on that account because I bought it before the promotion. So as long as you're above your initial balance, then you can get that free reset when your account expires. And then on your free reset, what you'll do is you'll get unlimited trading days. We do a lot of waiting. We do some waiting. Hey Nick, how do you stay emotionless or unaffected when the market's going in favor in you, but the setup does not show up? Oh, like right now in gold? Yeah, none of this really phases me at all because I didn't have my entry. So I used to get really upset. I used to be like, damn, I missed the whole move. And then I just realized, hey, if it's not my move, then I didn't miss the move, and there'll always be another setup either later on or tomorrow or, you know, at some other point. So yeah, you just gotta wait for your move. I learned to not chase volume anymore, but to chase the playbook. And when the playbook combines with volume, it makes for a perfect recipe. So I just wait for the perfect recipe. As a trader, I'm a negotiator, right? And I'm firm in my negotiation. And I tell the market, hey, I want this price and I want this entry. And this is the things that I want in order for me to make a deal with you. And if I don't get those things, then there's no deal, right? The market's not going to hustle me and make me change up my deal or my negotiation or my plans, right? What happens when the salesman sells you? What does he say? Got him, right? Got him. Even though he smiles at you and says, "Oh, you're so awesome," yeah. When he goes back to in the back office, he high fives his boys and he says, "Got him," right? So I don't want the market to have to be able to say that to me, right? So I make sure I'm the top dog negotiator, and unless price and the market does exactly what I'm looking to do and the candle and everything meets my criteria, if that happens, I'll get in. If not, then we got no deal. We got no deal. My salesman's so awesome. He really loves me and takes care of me. He's in the back. Got him for an extra 5K. Just kidding. Just kidding. Do I like boxing or MMA? Yeah, I like MMA. I like to watch. Where do I find the playbook? Right below. $8.20 coming in. Looks like we're pushing up. We've got volume coming in to push up here. You should see a really nice, really strong push, probably to the upside. There it is. Perfect. There it is. So we can pull back now and leave ourselves a wick fill for 8.30. So there's your nice pump up from 8.20, and we'll see where this 5 minute ends. We got two more 5 minute candles here. Did you see the Gaethje Poirier fight? Yeah, I did. Yep, I synced it. After 1K likes, got him. I am a car salesman right now. Yeah, there you go, Gary. So you know what I'm talking about. I'm a pimp. Crazy knockout. Yeah, that was not. Yeah, Gaethje's an animal. He's probably like my favorite fighter. They say They say Poirier hits hard, but no one hits harder than Gaethje. He was really the only one that gave Khabib any what of a chance whatsoever. Chat, don't leave me hanging. I want those push-ups. We got 7, 8, 9, 10. We got 300 more likes to go for that. Khabib is the best. I understand that. There's nobody better than Khabib. Nobody. How long does it take for you to be disciplined? Or how long did it take? How long does it take is a very open-ended question. It could take anybody. It could take somebody 6 months. It could take somebody 6 weeks. It could take somebody 6 years. That's all dependent on the person. How long did it take me? About 2 years. About 2.5 years. All right, lovely. Pushing up here. Very nice. We wanted to see this here. Chattanooga. Khabib said Gaethje hits the hardest. Yeah. What do you think 1 hour candle will create a top wick? I think so. Yeah, it would be awesome for the next 30 to come up and break that high. But it wouldn't surprise me if it didn't. Yo, the whole family's goat word. All right, we got 5 more minutes here, chat. So lock it in, get ready. We may have a position here at 8:30. What's your thoughts on Raja Banks? I freaking love that guy. Love that guy. Dude changed my life. Changed my life with his teaching on trading. Where you going? Where you going? 30-minute candle? Chill out, chill out. Yo, it's freezing in my house. That's one thing about Florida, man. It's everywhere you go is hot, but everywhere you go into is freezing. Hey, yo, where's this thing running to right now? What's going on? Chill out, man. Chill out. Did I take SRC? Oh yeah, I've watched all that stuff. Yep. Yeah, that 815, we had news there, that orange folder. Now, you know, we got a couple yellow folders, so no big deal. No biggie. Does SMC work? I have no idea. Never used it. Hold on, chat. I need to put a hoodie on. Hold on one sec.
John low-key looks like Tom Holland. Really?
There you go. You guys want me to rock no hat? There you go. No hat. Nick looks so different. Hey, you must not have been on our older streams. Yeah, only the OGs know me without a hat. Stop the cat! No hat. He's that guy. He's that guy.
Angry.
You got good hair. Why you wearing hats? Oh, man. Yeah, some of you guys thought I was bald or something. Nick looks Mexican. Okie dokie, Smokey. Let's see if we get a top wick here. Yeah, if we get a top wick, I'm going to have sell stops and a break of the lows there. But let's see if we can break the high again and then come back down. Okay, perfect, chat. So I'm going to have sell stops on the break of the lows here. Stops are going to be kept above the current 30-minute high. So wherever actually they're going to be kept above the previous candle high. And entry on the break of the low. And then what we'll look to do is we'll look to go break even right around this wick fill. Hold on. That'll be about 13 pips in profit. I'll probably close partials there as well. So break even. And that'll be the trade. And then wherever the high is here, that's fine. We're going to keep our stops above the previous candle here. So look, gang, I'm gonna start putting stuff up like this, so you guys know exactly where I'm doing what. But I think I'm gonna close partials at this support. So that'll be about 13, 14 pips in profit. So yeah, that's what I'll do on this trade. Huge stop loss? No, I think it's 27 pips, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's not too bad.
Very.
Yeah, we have 830 volume coming in here as well. So if you do break those lows, you should see a push down, fill that wick, and then, you know, see if price wants to close below there or whatever the case is. Yeah, I think the 4 hour though wants to continue down and get a closure below that support there. So should see a push if we break the lows. All right, can we get activated here? Can we roll in? Can we roll in? We're starting to break the lows there. Yeah, stops are going to be above the previous candle high here. So that's where I'm keeping my stops. What's the trade entry? It's a breakout. Breakout position, 8:30 to fill the range there. Okay, perfect. So it looks like I've been activated here. So got into some sells. Stops are going to be above the previous candle high. TP's, full TP is going to be down here at 1914, 1913. I'm going to look to move stops to break even right around the support level here. It's going to be about 14 pips in profit and possibly close partials there as well. So that's the trade. And we should have volume coming in here now at 8:30.
Hey, chat, that's the real one of the day.
What?
That's the real one of the day. Execute on your edge.
Oh yeah, that's the real win of the day. Let's get it. Yeah, let's get it. I thought Johnny Boy was running the stream. Yeah, he is. He is running it. He's running.
Yes, sir, Joe. W for following your plan.
W. Yep, that's what it's about. It's just about following the plan.
Yep.
Becomes very simple when you have a playbook and a plan to follow. You know what entries to take, what entries to not take. You know the edge on them. Now, no position is going to be a guaranteed win or a guaranteed loss. The outcome is going to be completely random, right? So you just got to wait, right? You just got to roll the die and see how the probability works itself out.
Yep. Completely random outcome, but the odds are in our favor.
Why is stop loss above the previous one? Just because it's only 27 pips, so we, for better confirmation, we might as well leave it there. What's the pair? Gold. Gold is the pair. Stop loss above previous candle? Yeah, yep. Chut, tut, 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 tut. In my opinion, it's too dangerous. Oh, stopped out. There was a support there. What are you guys thinking? Well, there was a support down here, which is where we're going to go break even. But yeah, we broke the high there. So we may be coming up now to create that steeper top wick. Yeah, on that 1 hour time frame. So worth the shot there at 8:30. We had a nice breakout, some room to drive, but broke the highs here. So that's that trade. Here come the Quaking.
Take that any day.
Yeah, I'll take that over and over again. Nothing I wouldn't do differently there. 30-minute closure. Below the range. Everything pushing down. Look good. Let's mark that up. Let's mark it. So that was, what's today? 8:08.
Yes.
08, 23. Gold. Breakout. Stops were 27 pips there for me. All right, perfect. That was a playbook trade? Yeah, that was a playbook trade, yep. Payback for yesterday. Yeah, let's see if that was the high that was created and then price moved back down now. That wouldn't surprise me. Wouldn't surprise me one bit. One hour came up to make a top wick. Yep, exactly. So maybe what we could have done was just waited for that, right? Waited for that top wick. But we had a bit of a top wick there on the 30-minute, but yeah, we kind of seen that happening. But at the end of the day, I mean, we broke the lows here after creating a top wick. 30-minute volume coming in. Volume just pushed in the opposite direction there real quick for us.
Good loss.
Shall we re-enter?
Those are the losses.
No. Go ahead, John.
Those are the losses you want to take, right? If you're going to take losses, you want to take a loss following your plan. So it's still a W, chat. Remember. Remember, chat, good loss is a W in disguise.
Yeah.
Right?
I'm asking, like I didn't just blow my account. Do I close? I'm still in. Oh, nice. Yeah, I guess hang tight if you haven't got stopped out. Right, we created that wick now, so if we re-break the low, then you should see a push. But bro, that was not a playbook trade? Yes, it was. Yeah, it was. We were coming down to fill this wick, fill this range here. .30-minute closure within the range. We took the position to come down, fill the wick. Is this a funded account or a challenge? This is a funded account. Such stupid risk. What? What, bruh? Learn to never touch anything without a top wick. Yeah. Now that one had a... Pretty sure we had somewhat of a top wick, right? Yeah, on the 30-minute we had a top wick.
Yeah, we did.
So it was just the previous 30-minute. What are you looking for now? Now we're going to wait for the 4-hour close here. Yeah, we'll see how the 4-hour closes up and we'll see where we're at that point. Check quick. You guys notice I'm the same way, right? Win or loss. It really doesn't matter to me. Yeah, you guys are taking my trades, right? You guys are just sitting here watching me trade, choosing to take the same ones. So don't be mad, don't be crying if you take a loss. Nick, you've been losing a lot lately? Have I? I took like 6 losses in the last month. How do you get by? Yeah, you just keep showing up, right? Keep showing up day in and day out, running the playbook. You know, the losses will be there, the wins will be there, but, you know, at the end of the day, everything, probability should play itself out. People's accounts are quaking.
Stop quaking, tighten up.
I deserve to lose my money.
Hey, if you're quaking, tighten up.
Stop forcing everyone to take the same trade as you. There you go. Yep. Yeah, it worked on the 1 hour. Didn't work on the 30 here. But look, here comes price coming on back down. I told you, bro, it was a buy. You were wrong. Even Raja's in a loss this month. Oh, yeah? He had us at gunpoint. Yeah, there you go. So if you're still in the trade, you can probably move stops to break even at this point. And see if you get one more push and close partials. Scared money don't make money. Why didn't we re-enter? Because I wouldn't enter this position if let's say we didn't take that entry. After coming all the way up like this at 845, I wouldn't re-enter that position. I wouldn't take an entry there, so therefore I wouldn't re-enter that trade. Right? If I'm ever gonna re-enter a trade, it's gotta be a brand new trade. It's gotta be something that I would take anyway, whether I was in a trade or not in a trade. And right now there wouldn't be any trade that I would take. So yeah, so that's why. Yeah, because now we're starting to consolidate there on the 15-minute. Also, no stop loss. Let's do this. That's our 20th loss of the year. We have reached 20 losses. How do y'all feel about that, huh? 20 losses for the year now. 20. Let's see. Let's see, our first time doing this. How does it look? Oh, okay, it actually fits there. Perfect. All right, nice, nice, nice. How many wins? 75 wins. 75 wins, 20 losses for the year. I lost 20 trades just last week by myself. There you go. 10 of those trades are in the last 2 months. Yeah, the market's been a little different, right? Summertime. Yeah, half of them are in the last 2 months here. So. You lose more than you win, bro? You need to learn math, bro. You need to get better at math. Everything was good. Problem, negative news. Yeah, it could have been the news. I took 75 trades this morning. Yeah, we may get another shot here at 9:30. Can you show us how that trade was in the 400K? No, I have the 400K on a copy trader, so I don't have a terminal up for that one.
Hey, chat. In these situations, this is where you develop the skill of how to move on from a trade, right? Moving on by focusing on the next best trade. Start to apply this in your own life so you can get better at this and sharper mentally.
Yes, sir. Yeah, you guys aren't upset, are you?
Those that are upset,
Feeling
I know
amazing.
there are some.
Someone said, feeling amazing. Being able to learn how to be patient, also how to control emotions during trades. Thank you, Nick. Yep, that's how you should be feeling. You should be feeling amazing. Why do you think the market is different in some months? It's just the summertime, so not as much movement going on, you know, in this quarter. Become a prick once you blow up. Start calling people names in the chat. Yeah, now we just wait for our next opportunity here. All right, nothing there on GJ. Kind of same thing happened with GJ, right? Broke the lows and then kind of now breaking the highs there. Gold, you know, same thing, right? So this 30-minute candle was a little abnormal, and we just happen to be in on it.
I mean, our direction is clearly right.
Yeah. Yeah, so now we'll just wait here for the 4-hour candle to close, and then we'll look to see, you know, where we're at from there. We got 8 minutes for that to happen. I lost 1.6 on that trade, but I don't care. Yeah, 1.6 ain't bad. Not bad. I have to say gold was a nightmare until I discovered TTE. Yeah, gold's been a little, I mean, look, right? Gold's been super choppy over the last couple weeks, especially during the NY session. So it's no surprise that price action's throwing everything for a loop here. But, you know, same stuff. Yeah, 15 minutes just consolidating now. Is that dude your brother? Yeah, he is. Nick, you are great. I wish you success, but just my opinion, 10 lots long term on a 100K funded account is definitely not savvy. That's definitely over trading. Well, Jonathan, leave that up to me, sir. I'll figure it out. Yeah, I've been using 10 lots for quite some time now. It's been working very well for me. Bring out the whole emotions. Learn to lose first. Yeah, exactly. You lost 3%. I lost, let's take a look. I think I lost 2.7. Maybe 3. Let's see. Custom today. Oh, 3.1. Oh, wow. Thought that was a 27 pip stop. What's up with you, my Forex funds? 30 pips, yeah. Right about there. Yeah, price coming down though. All I care is, will price continue down and do what we thought it would do? This is a bit abnormal, right? Normally you're typically not going to see this candle just come and wick up like that, but it happens from time to time. So this time it happened to tap us out. Some people give advice, but they're here to take trades. Yeah, right? That's pretty funny. I find that pretty comical too sometimes. What's your percentage breach limit? 5%. Stop hunt. We were the we were the SMC today. You're on unlimited time funding challenge? Yeah, for my 400k, yep. There you go, Ray Capital. Everyone's dwelling on this, right? I tell you guys all the time, I love reading the comments and seeing how long you guys will dwell. That's really what I'm doing here right now. I'm just seeing how long you're willing to dwell on a loss. Not good, chat. Not good. You got some work to do. Yes, I would have been break even at this point and then see if runners can go had we not gotten this abnormal liquidity grab, stop hunt, push up, break of the highs, whatever you want to call it. It's a would you look at that play? Yeah, it looks like it.
Stay composed.
Your account is gone with another loss? Oh, well, good thing I have lots and lots of money in the bank from all the wins. And I'd be able to go get a new account. Don't dwell. Just fund your account again. Your losses are like 3 times larger than do the math. Yeah, but too bad we have like 8 times more winners than we do losses. So you do the math. You do the math. You do the math. I still got $8 to lose. Let's go. Yeah, I did feel the pain when I first started. Yep. Then I got used to it. Then I understood what trading's about and was able to get past all that. Mature, you know, get mature.
Yep. Found out if he truly wanted to be a professional trader, he would have to act like one. No ifs, ands, ifs, or buts, right?
Yeah, they're... Oh. Today, another trade? Yeah, I'm sure we'll take another trade today. Yeah, we're going to wait here for the 4-hour closure in about 2 minutes. And something tells me that the 4-hour may want to close below that support like we talked about earlier. So let's see if we can get a closure below there. And then we may have more positions, right? We got a nice clean range here to the left-hand side. So I would love to take advantage of that. Love it. Yeah, the doubters all come out. Once we take a loss, here they come. So some of you guys are like freeloaders. You guys know what freeloaders are? You only hang around people when they can do good for you. Right? You try and freeload off of them. That was the chicken play. You stream every day? Yeah, every day. Yup, every single day. A bunch of leeches. All right, we got a 4-hour closure here. So let's hang tight. Let's see how everything opens up, and then we may have more positions here later if we can get a closure below. How much percentage will you? I'll still risk 10 lots as long as I keep myself covered. Yeah, as long as I keep myself covered, then I'll still risk 10 lots. As long as the stops aren't too big. Bro, the comments are legendary. Too funny. All right, cool. Let's see if we can get a top wick here on this 4-hour candle, and then we're gonna look for more positions. Price should continue down, so we'll see if we get some closures below there. Then we can look to take advantage of that next range. But until then, we'll just let price do its thing, and then we'll look to see if we can get entries. After that, 4-hour also closed here on pound yen, closed bearish. Kind of closed right at that resistance level. I think if we continue to wait here and get a closure, let's say maybe a pullback and then some sort of resistance formed up here, then we could take ourselves coming back down. But right now in this area, probably not going to touch anything right there. And then US 30 looks pretty good, right? We just need a top wick now on everything. So let's see. We do a little trolling. Yeah, let's take a look at that actually. So, yeah, my bad. I put B by mistake. Let me change that. Cool. Perfect. Perfecto. All right, cool. So let's see if we can get a top wick here or closures below that we're looking for. And then I think our next best bet, it will be around 930 here. So we'll see what happens. Still got plenty of range to drive here on gold. So the day is certainly not done just yet. So we'll see what happens here. I lost 130%. Yeah, that's the only weird thing about streaming is you take a loss and people act really weird. Really, really weird. It's like, come on, gang. Come on, gang. I lost my whole life savings. Alrighty. Looking good, looking good. I sold my dog. Hey, yo, I sold my dog. I put my fridge up as collateral. That's too funny. Are you trading with my Forex funds? Yes, I am. Yes, I am. It is written. Yes, it is, sir. Yes, it is. Look at that gold. Gold pushed down, though, right? Still pushed down. Randomly got this wick come up here. Usually doesn't happen, but price still was able to tap into our. We would have run break even there. Might have. I think I was gonna close partials there too. So yeah, I would have closed partials there, but on to the next one now. Yeah, I think we called that this morning, right? Yeah, I think so. Pretty sure we drew this all out. Oh, what do you know there, chat? Let's see. I think we drew this out. Yeah, I thought we drew that out somewhere. Pretty sure we did. That guy is funny. How do you deal with negative comments on top of losing a trade? No, I just laugh because it just kind of shows me like the maturity, right? And who's mature, who's not, right? Who's still very childish in their approach. So I like looking at the names and stuff. I make a little note in my brain.
Don told you.
Yeah, don't worry, chat. Don and Raja and all them told me to look out for it. Let's see. Chat likes to troll.
We like to troll. We do a little trolling. It's called we do a little trolling.
Yeah, that is true. Yup. We didn't get the 1K likes. That's what it was. That's what it was.
Must have been.
You're wearing blue light blockers? Yeah, I am. Same gulag, different stream, exactly. Yeah, but when they lose 10 trades on their own, yep, perfectly fine. Yep, so there you go. Cheryl told you, y'all being stingy. That's why we got handed a loss right there. If you would have had the, we should have looked and seen if we had the confirmation on the likes. Oh, why don't I block the negative people? Listen, gang. I'm a very cool, laid back, composed type of guy. I can handle a little bit, right? I got some tough skin.
Got some balls.
Remember, I was in network marketing for 8 years. This is nothing.
And he has own authority over his mind.
And yeah, and I have authority over my mind. Like most of the negative people, actually all of the negative people in here have zero authority over their mind.
They're drifters.
All right, let's see what goes down here. So let's wait for 9:30 here, and then we'll see where we're at. 9:30 is the next time we should get more and more volume. So that's probably when we'll look to enter a new position if we have the right opportunities in front of us. Yeah, no, the haters help the chat. Yeah, they bring up good conversation and funny little things. And it's perfect. It's a perfect combo.
What Scott said.
I don't like to lose trades, man. Why do you lose trades? You freaking suck, bro. I lose trades, then I lose trades with you. I lose double trouble. Double trouble. Nick, honest question. It's been over a month on your 100K account. It's been below 100. How do you get money? What do you mean, man? I got a 7K withdrawal last month. 7K withdrawal the month before. Yeah, I mean, what do you think? That's the only money I got? What do you think? That's all I got? The classic Indian voice. Y'all think I show you everything I got, huh? Bro, still a 70% profit margin. Hell yeah, let's make some money. Yes, sir. Let's see here. Every market is down. Yeah. Cash flow for show. $150 likes. Oh, nice. How many Indian people are in live stream? Please like the stream, bro. Yes, sir. Shout out to all my Indians.
Hey, Chad, those of you quaking over your account, telling you right now, gang, if you're thinking long term about this, can't be stressing about your account and what it looks like. Got to be focusing on taking the best trades. Telling you right now.
Nick, when you came here, how do you live? Trades people gonna follow you when they lose their account? All right, I guess we'll stop trading forever. We'll stop live streaming then.
Live stream's done.
No more live stream. I'm quitting trading. All right, give me 1 sec. I'll be right back.
I keep quaking, live streams are gone. No. I'll come to your house and trade with you. Sign up. You train 6 to 7 years, you will lose trades, just part of it. Gotta be okay with it. Yes, sir. Loss part of the game. It's okay to take losses.
All right, anyways, let's see what we got. US 30. Yeah, gold closed, so we definitely need a closure below that support there, right? The 4-hour candle closed pretty much right at support. So you may start to see a push up here. Like, let's do a quick recap here. So 4-hour candle closed just shy of that support level there. So chances are we're not going to push down here. If we do get a closure on the lower time frame, then we may be able to look for more sells, right? Probably below this support right here, which is at 1924, 757. We do have a 30-minute close coming up with the NYSE open coming up here in 11 minutes. If we are going to take buys, how do we take them, right? Let's take a look to the left-hand side. Yeah, you got nothing over here. Where is our most recent level here of support? Let's take a look at the 15-minute time frame. So you're basically just chopping around now, right? You're basically just chopping around within that range. I think if we get a closure below, we could look to take ourselves. If not, then we're gonna have to wait here. Probably gonna have to wait till like 10 a.m. And see this hourly candle close. See if it closes bullish. If the 30-minute closes bullish, you know, we'll see what happens. We'll see what happens for the NY Open. Oh, what's this? We got paragraphs. Oh yeah, there you go. Holy! There you go, got a trade. Yeah, a lot of times after the stream, me and the TTE Elite guys, we just laugh at some of the comments. It's part of our session. There's a giveaway coming. Oh yeah. Next thing you know, the Quakers like, please, please. They're in my DM. Please, let me get the giveaway. Yeah, nah, you gotta be willing to deal with some losses here and there, gang. Like sometimes, like especially right now in the summer, you'll find yourself typically, you know, a little bit slower markets. You know, price action gets a little funky here and there. So you just gotta be, cool with rolling with the punches, right? You gotta be very fluent, flexible, and understand that, you know, sometimes these little, you know, these losing streaks, just like the winning streaks come, you know, sometimes you can get a losing streak too. All right, so it's not a big deal. It's really not. Right, took 2 losses. You know, took basically 7 losses in the last 3 months. I mean, that's not that big of a deal. Right, we won pretty much every trade in June. We won basically every trade in May. We won pretty much every trade in April. So yeah, it's not a big deal, right? We won pretty much every single trade in March, right? So notice how these two, or at least this July, this summer month was a little slow, but we still ended up, you know, doing well there. And now August, you know, is in front of us. So y'all got to get some more experience under your belt, and you'll be all right. I always want to say some stuff in here to lighten the mood. Hey, how about them Yankees? Thought y'all said y'all barely lose. Now y'all losing streaks. Y'all or me? Because there's no y'all. It's just me, right? These are my trades. These are the trades that I take. You're just here watching, and you can choose to take them with me, or you can choose to stay out of them. You can choose to listen to some of the advice we give on the stream. You can choose to not listen to it. You can choose to click the video and come in and watch, and you can choose to not click the video and come in and watch, right? You can choose to stay here right now, or you can choose to leave, right? You always have the choice. You don't have to sit on the stream or take the trades or be a part of this at all, right? It's just what I'm doing. Spence. There you go. Choice is yours. Talk about our strat. Talk about our strategy.
There's no strategy. I have no strategy. There's zero strategy.
In the sad one. Trump 2024. There you go. There you go. All right, we got 6 minutes here for a 30-minute closure. So let's see where we're at that point and see if there's anything here for us. Gold just still kind of playing around right down in this bottom of this range here. Where's Sam Capital? I'm sure maybe he's in the chat. How many has been funded with the recent elite group? I think 5 people. Yeah, I think 5 of them. Why can't I comment anymore? As you comment. So quiet today. Yes, I wanted to see. So look, so an hour. So I just want to see if we would go an hour, and you guys have literally gone an hour crying. So I just keep a mental note of the names and, you know, understand where you're at as traders. But we're gonna move on from that now, right? That's a healthy loss. Let's move into this 9:30 volume here. See if we can catch another position. I'm not gonna hang out with you guys anymore and hold your hand. Let's see what we can look forward to now. Yeah, we got closure coming up in 4 minutes. Four minutes. FOMO time? Yeah. Appreciate all the effort and hard work. Nice lessons. I've become more disciplined, more consistently profitable. Oh, nice. That's amazing. Yeah, that's what we're here for. That's what we're here for. Can I get your feedback, please? Oh, yeah, of course. Yes, that's what you guys should do. Take the opposite trade. Yep. Motion in the chat. Nick, don't listen to the haters, man. Yeah. All right. Can we get a 30-minute closure below? That's the question here. That is the question. My baby gonna be rich. All right, lovely. Lovely. Yeah, we really need to see that candle close below. If we want to take sells here, we gotta see that candle close below. GJ pushing back up. Oh, is this daily candle gonna flip? All right, I think we got a 30-minute closure, and it did not close below the range. Yeah, no closure below. We do a little dabbing in the chat.
Dab.
Sheesh, US 32 closed right at resistance there. Check my Forex funds. It closed below. Oh yeah, why didn't it close below here? Yeah, TradingView, it did not close right at it on TradingView. We need 1K likes. We need 1K likes before we take another trade. Oh, still waiting for a setup pick. Yeah, I haven't taken a pick. I gotta get y'all a pick. Forgot about that. Yeah, my Forex funds, it does look like it closed below. Yeah, that's weird. Closed below there, but not on TradingView. Can you please explain how the overall drawdown works on my Forex funds? Yeah, I think my Forex funds is 12%, right? So if you hit 12%, that's the old overall drawdown, and then they'll take your account. Yeah, and then if you want to get a new one, you'll have to start all over from phase 1. We're going to be looking at trades around 10. Yeah, I think so. Yeah, because this one is starting to run on us here. Yep, no top wick. No top wick. But hey, we were right about the direction, right? Where's the guy who was in here saying, bro, I told you it's buys. Told you, bro. It's buys. Yeah. Yeah, no buys for sure. But yeah, so everything worked out well here. Just this random spike up got us. 8 or 12 for my Forex funds. 12%. Yeah, 12%. Buy. He's probably still buying. I'm holding my buy. Oh, nice. Beautiful. Oh, nice. I re-entered. Thanks for sharing the skills. Oh, nice. Good stuff. Perfect. Perfecto. So we got no top wick on this candle yet. I'm expecting to see a top wick on that 30-minute candle. And yeah, especially with no closure below. Most likely going to see a top wick here. How much wait for next entry? Probably about 15 to 30 minutes. You entered another cell? No. Nope. Have to get some groceries. Do it. Oh, yeah, there's your top wick. Beautiful. Shout out to you, Nick, one of the realists. Thanks for putting people like me on game. Yeah, I want to show you guys because a lot of times no one's going to show you these losses, right? You're never going to know. Like, so you're going to look at other traders and think, man, you know, I can never be that good. Or how come he always wins all his trades? But here on the live streams, we share with you what a real trader and all the traders that you admire and look up to, this is what they go through. You know, they go through wins, they go through losses, but they just keep going, right? They keep trading their system, trading their strategy. But if you don't see it, then you think you're less, right? If you don't see that other traders go through losses, then you look down on yourself. And that's one of the main reasons that I wanted to live stream, and that's why I really don't care about taking losses here, because it gives an opportunity to share with people the realness, right? The realness that comes with trading, where it's not just win, win, win all day, right? Those are the posts that you see, right? Because nobody's going to share with you their failures or their losses because they don't want to look stupid, right? But me, I don't care about looking stupid, right? Because I don't look stupid. And I don't care about sharing any losses because this is the game, right? And I'm doing you guys a service by sharing this with you. Otherwise, you look around and you think, I'm not good enough, man. I can't do this, you know. This guy, he never loses. Man, this guy, he makes all this money. How could I ever get to that point, right? So I want to show you guys that a little bit more deeper into a trader's journey, into a trader's day-to-day trading, right? I mean, you guys have seen me win for months and months and months, and now you're getting a chance to kind of see a little bit of losing, right? And that should be a good thing. And I'm happy that you know, we're here to display the good, the bad, and the ugly, so traders can set the right expectations when it comes into trading, right? I feel bad because a lot of traders, they look at, you know, these IG gurus and they want to be like them, but they don't think that those guys ever lose, right? Because they don't ever show the losses. They just think everything is perfect, and you think, oh man, I want that perfect life. But I got news for you, man. That's not how the game works. You've been fooled. You've been fooled. Yeah. Love my glasses? Oh, thanks. Hedging buys and sells? Nice. No stop loss. 100% win rate. All right, there you go. Got a rejection from there. What happened on the 15-minute or the 5? Nice. Yeah, nothing here just yet. We still gotta wait. Nick, Nick, to me, you are a great buddy. Love your mentorship. Oh, thanks, Dan. Thanks, Dan Cast. W. Yeah, for those that are like not quaking, but like just kind of, how do I deal with it? Like seriously, just go tune into like some Mark Douglas, or go tune into some of the guys that have been training on psychology and trading, and they'll get you right. All right, they'll get you right, because you got to tighten up a little bit in that area if you're gonna last here long term, because it's not the first loss we'll take, won't be the last one. But if you can understand the mental framework and the mindset behind, I think, growing up, we're trained that losing is not good, right? We're trained that losing is bad, but that's not how you have to look at trading, right? Winning or losing has nothing to do with the actual outcome of the trade. Winning or losing has to do with the entry of the trade, right? Did I enter in on my playbook? Yes. Okay, that's a win. Did I enter in on my playbook? No, this is deviating. Okay, then that's probably a loss. No matter what the actual money outcome is, that the win and the loss occurred during the entry of the trade, not during the final result of it. Yes, money comes or money's lost for sure, and no one likes to lose, obviously, right? If you asked me, hey, would you rather have won that trade or lost that trade? Of course, I'd rather win that trade. But I know that the real win was taken when I executed on my edge. And my edge says, hey, 80% of the times that we take that position at 8:30 with volume coming in, 8 out of 10, you're going to win that. But 2 out of 10, it ain't going to be there. So I understand that this could be the 1 or 2 out of 10. And I'll let it rip again. I'll take that same position again tomorrow. So if you can start to look at your positions and think, would I have changed everything there? Did I do something wrong? What happened here? Nope. I take that trade again tomorrow, then W, right? But if you kind of deviated and broke your playbook and broke your plan completely, then yes, then there may be something to look into. But some of you guys take a loss and you contemplate your entire life. You wonder, is trading even for you? Are you ever going to be good at this? And you got to switch that mental framework over to what I just talked about. Otherwise, you'll beat the living daylights out of yourself, and you'll force yourself to quit eventually. Yeah, read the Forex mindset. Yeah, that'll be good. Yep, you're going to experience thousands of losses. Even in your entire career, you're going to experience losses. What are the best times to trade? During the NY session, I like to trade 8:15, 8:30, 9:15, 9:30, 10 a.m. and sometimes 9:45 too. But 10 a.m. and 10:30. Yeah, we'll see what happens. Bunch of consolidation here though right now. GJ's not bad here, gang. Not bad at 9:30. How many streams y'all watching? Y'all got like 5 streams up right now. If you would trade again today, what would your lot size be? Most likely a 10 lot, depending on the stop loss. John, how you been? John's Mac and
I've been
John's
chilling.
tight.
I'm feeling real good.
Does GJ usually move opposite? Yeah, I've noticed that at times. Yeah. So the 15 closed a no bottom wick. Nothing you can do there. 15 on gold, not too bad. You know, we are in a little bit of a range, but you know, we do have volume. So if you get a bottom wick, I'm sure price will continue on up there. Anything is possible. Jackwagon. Yeah, no buys just yet here on gold. There goes the flip. Flipping back bearish now. Very nice. Yeah, we really need a closure below. Once we get a closure below, you'll see a continue down, a really strong push down, but you got to get that close below, because if you notice, look how many times price is rejected. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times now. So 7 times price is rejected in this zone. I think if you can get a closure outside of here, then price will be good to continue down. We just got to wait, right? We just got to wait. Hang tight. Just wait on it. Tell him, chat.
Just wait on it.
Just wait on it. Jump on that like button. I'm waiting. Tell him, bring me my money.
Tell them to bring me my money.
Tell him, bring me my money. Can you give your opinion on US 30? I'm in sales. Oh, nice. Yeah, nice. Got the closure below, but no top wick here. So a lot of times, if there's no top wick, you could expect to see a top wick. But this candle's running right now, so I'm not sure where you got in at, but 15-minute candle's running. 30 minutes should tap into support. Yeah, it looks pretty clean. Yeah, notice after we broke that high, now you just have nice lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs. So if you get a close below, very high chance we'll break that low to create a new low to continue down. I got timed out for asking a genuine question. Oh, damn. What was the question, brother? Not sure why you got timed out. US 30 bleeding. Yeah, you should come down now. Test that support. I would probably look to secure some profits right there. Thoughts on cable? Get rid of it. Huh? At what time did you enter your first trade? That was at 8:30. Would you mind taking a look at the NASDAQ? Yeah, let's take a look. Oh yeah, everything is just bleeding right now. So we were right about the direction there. Just happened to get that funky candle to stop us out. I think sells below here would be pretty good. So I would just wait for a 1 hour, 30-minute closure. Wait for a little bit of a pullback, and then you're pretty clean moving down. Yeah, the 1 hour candle's closing here in about... Yeah, actually, you know what? It's got to be below here. So if you can get a closure below that support on the 1 hour time frame here in 9 minutes, everything should be good to go. Do you think it's worth revisiting the playbook and strategy when the market isn't going in your favor? Yeah, if that was the case for a couple months, then yes. But, you know, for 3 weeks, absolutely not. Absolutely not. Accidentally made 400. Was price action what you learned from day one of trading, or did you dab? No, I used to trade like an intraday style of trading. Yeah, it was geared towards price action, so I never really used many indicators, but I have tried them. Now I'm not happy with gold. Oh shit, 40%? Damn. Yeah, we're just gonna hang tight here now and wait, because this candle can't decide what it wants to do. The 4 hour closed right at support. You're probably gonna see a push up. 15-minute candle is flipping bullish. So we'll see. GJ on gold looking, GJ's looking pretty good here too. No bottom wick. Notice how now we're coming back up. So let's wait on these hourly candles here, and then we should be good for another position. Gold's trolling. Gold's trolling right now. About to fail my challenge, but look damn good doing it. There you go. As long as you're looking good. Oh man, gold making me sleepy today. Yeah, 8:30 was the only opportunity we had here today, right? Because look, this candle closed. This was 7:30. This was 8, so we could have taken a position at 8, but we had no top wick, which we look for. So we had to let this one go. 8:30 closed with the bearish volume coming down. Gave us a decent top wick, right, where we were able to have previous candle stops. That was pretty much the only trade that we could have really taken here today. And we did take it, right? We just got this random top wick here to come on up and stop us out. But other than that, after that, price headed back down and tapped into, you know, our break even and closed partials area there. So that was really the only trade available here today. Unless you were looking at maybe nah, I don't even see anything on the 5 or anything. Maybe this one. 925. But other than that, nothing. Nothing. Oh, I got to find out what quaking means today. Your RR is killing you, my boy. It's really not, though. I make withdrawals every month and pay my bills and live my life. So it's really not killing me. I promise you that. Oh, nice. I'm still in profit. All right, take your profit and run with it. Run, run, run. Yeah, this has actually been, July was probably my worst month for probably the last like 15, 16 months. Yeah. Yeah, it was like a break-even month. When I started watching the streams, you said that you made enough that month to pay your bills for like 3 months. I believe. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, I think you guys think, what, this is my first month ever trading and I have not saved no money in bank. You ever get bored and flip accounts? Nah. Yeah, I think you guys forgot about all these months. I think you forgot all about June, where we went 95% win rate. May, where we had an 86% win rate. You know, I think you guys are forgetting all these months. April, where we had a 90% win rate. All right, March, where we had, I think it was 87% win rate, right? So I think you guys are, or maybe you guys just weren't here, right? Maybe you guys have just showed up to the streams. Y'all know about that. Y'all know about that. What's your win gain? You can go do the math on that. Yeah, you can go do the math and then just come back and let us know. Where's the rest of the gang today? Saying, I'm not too sure. Not too sure where them boys are at. Yep, I don't see him here. I don't see him. They took the day off. They took it off. Yeah, June was W's. Yeah, it was. Yeah, June was money. Yeah, June we had one loss there. That loss, come on. Messing up my spreadsheet. Losing the trade because of ICT. ICT? Iced tea? Iced tea? Yeah, not much happening just yet. So we got 1 minute for this hourly closure here, and we'll see how that's looking. Looks like we're closing bullish at that 4-hour support on gold. 30 minutes closing bullish as well. 15's bullish as well. So yeah, we'll see what happens. Give me 1 sec. I'll be BRB.
When you play on 30, you gotta wait for the resistance. Wait for the resistance to form on gold.
All right, so close bullish here. Let's take a look at pound yen. Oh yeah, this looks pretty nice. Yeah, we got a nice wick fill ahead of us here, chat. I'm gonna have sell stops on pound yen. Yeah, let's make sure we don't have any support or anything to the left. Hold on, let me take a look at this. Yeah, we closed below. Yeah, looks good. So I'm gonna have sell stops on the break of the lows here. Let me just move this. Yeah, sell stops on the break of the low here on GJ. Stops are going to be kept above the new 1 hour high. So wherever that 1 hour high forms up at, those will be our stops, and that'll be the trade. Yeah, let's see. YouTube quick. Yeah, let's take a look at gold. Yeah, gold we're very bearish. So we don't want to jump the gun there on gold, right? Very, very bearish. Let's get rid of this. Yeah, stops are going to be about, what is this? 7 pips? Yeah, 7, 8 pips. Stops on GJ. Yeah, gold, we'll see what happens here. I don't want to take my buys too early here on gold because we are very bearish on the day. Let me just set this sell stops. Boom. And then what we'll do here is partials. Yep, and that'll be that trade there. So we got to break the lows there. Sniper entry. Gold still trying to make a decision. Remember, we're not bullish here on gold, right? Although the 1 hour closed bullish, the 4 hours and the 4 hours at support, it's still bearish. The daily is still heavily bearish as well, right? That was kind of where we were planning to see this daily candle move down to today, and that's what happened. Yes, ma'am. All right. Do you have a TP? Yeah, the TP is going to be down here at probably like 181, 190, you know, somewhere around this range here. Dun, dun, dun. Okay, what do we got here stops wise now? About 13 pip stops. So you got to adjust your stops a little bit if you're going to be taking this trade. My stops now are going to be 181.818. Oh, 181.818.
Hey.
Oh. Dude, you're in drawdown. And then y'all watching 3 different streams looking like this guy. That's what y'all look like. One 181.818. 181.818. I'm not in this trade. Placed. I'm not in. All in, including house, land, girlfriend, wife, ring. Let's see, gold. Goldie. Senior googly eyes. Is trade taken? No. Look, sell stops not activated yet. But if we break the low, the sell stops will be activated. Yeah. Yep. Y'all can't read or what? Oh. Just curious, why isn't your YouTube channel monetized? Do you want to monetize it for me, Winston? You want to get it all set up for me? Well, I'm glad you asked. You're not in the trade? No, not in the trade. I'm waiting to get in. If we break the low, that'll activate me in. Yeah, if we start breaking up on this high, then I'll probably delete them. But right now, everything seems pretty good. This an onion? Yeah, it's a onion play. Yep.
Onion.
Yep. 1 hour onion, 30-minute onion, 4 hour just continuing, you know, continuation. Which time frames are my sell stops? They're on the 1 hour / 30-minute here. Oh, you heard MT5 sounds. Gotcha. Gotcha. Yeah, I'm not too sure whose MT5 that is. A tomato play? Yeah, I think that's the tomato play too. Tomato. Yeah, we'll stick with GJ for now. Don't really see any other options here. Oh, when I was adjusting my stops, maybe. Yeah. Nah, Mark, we don't have a tomato play yet. We got that popcorn chicken play. Popcorn chicken. Yeah, we got no bottom wick here on this 15 as well. Yeah, gold, if we get a bearish closure here, that'd be awesome. Below the range, that'd be fantastic. Do you always take 90% partials or sometimes less? Yeah, if the range is really big, then I'll take less. I'll take 50%, but if the range isn't too big, then I'll lock in like 80 or 90%. I entered this trade a little early. It is what it is. Yeah, we'll see how gold closes up shop here in just a few minutes. If the 15 can close below, I may delete GJ and run with gold, but we'll see. Did I watch Raja? Yeah, I learned a lot from Raja. Alright, see how we're breaking that high again? I'm going to delete the buy stops here, or the sell stops. Let's get rid of those. And let's look towards gold, but gold looks to be rejecting as well. So are you saying your mentorship fees and signal money make up more than 50% of your income? I don't know, MP Forex. When did I say that? I don't know about you, man. Y'all be pocket watching too much. Gotta worry about your own pockets. Oh yeah, here we go, gold. Yeah, we'll probably reject. See how we have a lot of rejection to the downside here? So the tough part is we also have a lot of rejection to the upside, right? So not much you could really do there. Time to delete. Magic key sales makes up 50% of my income. Time to alter? Yeah, maybe.
For alter.
Did I learn anything from Sean Lee? Yeah, that the elites were screwing us over. Your delete is my entry. Y'all done for the day though? Go to sleep. Y'all? What you mean y'all? I'm in a trolling mood today. Hey. We like to troll. We like to troll. We do a little trolling. Right? Right, chat?
We like to troll. We do a little trolling. It's called we do a little trolling.
We do a little troll. Hey, you don't have to delete the message, Spence. It's all good, man. Trust me. Yeah, gold may push up here. I'm not going to take any buys here on gold, though, because we're pretty bearish. We did... I can make sense of the buys, right? We did close at as support. And the 1 hour did close bullish. 30-minute did close bullish as well. But, you know, those are tough buys there going against the bias. And you're also buying into that rejection zone there as well. So price has been rejecting from the top, been rejecting from the bottom. This whole little consolidation joint right here is just not a fun place to trade. So yeah, I probably won't touch anything in there. This pre-workout got me a little lit. Yeah, I'm about to get some pre-workout too. Go to the gym. Go to the gym. Hello. How are you people mocking gold buy? How are you mocking gold sell? Now we're both screwed.
What the hell?
All right, we'll see what happens here in just a few minutes, and if we don't get anything, we'll call it a day and come back at it tomorrow. Is that UV glasses? These are blue light glasses. Hey, Nick. Been following Raja, then found Don, and that led me to you. Oh, nice. Just want to say that you have a gift on inspiring discipline and professionalism in trading. You're doing an awesome job. Thank you very much. Hey, thank you, Florin. Appreciate your kind words. Appreciate the kind words. Yeah, GJ, you may get a 30-minute celery play. That's probably the best position that we could try and grab here on Pound Yen. If there's a time limit on the phone, do the weekends count? Yes. Yep. For Nick, I was risking 40% per trade. Oh, damn. Oh, damn. This is my favorite stream for real, no cap. Well, thank you, Spence. Appreciate that, man. Glad you're enjoying it. So it's best to buy a funded account on Monday. It's not a bad idea. Not a bad idea. I would buy a maybe like a 5K from my Forex funds and test your skill set on there, right? See if you could make 8%. And if you could do that pretty consistently, then why not scale up, right? Once you've found the consistency, now it's time to scale up. So work on that consistency first and then look to up that capital. Following you from Kenya, bro. Oh, nice. Thanks, man. Underdog. Hey, everyone likes an underdog. How much is a 5K? I think you can get them for like 25 bucks, right? 30 bucks, 40 bucks, 50 bucks, somewhere under 50 bucks. Time to leave. How much commission are they giving? So my 100K I get 85% profit split, and the 400K I'll be getting 92% profit split. Yeah, it's really cheap. Yeah. Yeah, you can get a funded account for cheap. Bro, why celery play? Where? Oh, that's if this candle closes, right? If this bullish candle closes back below the range, then you got a celery play there. But you gotta wait for that candle to close. Time to eat pre-workout meal. Is it real that those prop firms don't actually take your trades? No, I doubt they take I doubt they take anyone's trades unless they've monitored those accounts for months. I mean, think about it. Would you? Right? I wouldn't take people's trades. Like, you can get lucky in past challenges. So unless you're pretty consistently profitable for months, they're probably like betting against you. But as long as they're sending the payout, I'm good to go. Could you explain the trade you lost today? What could you have done differently? Yeah, the only thing that we really could have done differently there was probably just wait. We waited for a steeper top wick, though. That was the thing. I don't think we really could have done much differently about that position. Let's go back to it, right? We had, right, this was our position. We had something like this. Stops are above this candle. TP, we're expecting price to break through that wick there and then continue down, especially at 8:30 with this high volume in the market. But, you know, that didn't happen, right? Price came up, wicked us out, came all the way back down, and closed actually above the range here on the 4-hour time frame. So that's why you're starting to see the push up here. Yeah, I think it was a good position. Yeah, we were trying to
Very good position.
Yeah, we were trying to anticipate the 4-hour pushing down, the daily pushing down, you know, the 1 hour continuing down here for the NY open candle, but price came up, wicked us out, and then just went back down. No, we had a top wick. I mean, the previous candle, yes. Yeah, the previous candle didn't have the greatest top wick, but the trading candle that we used had a decent top wick on it. So the only thing we could do at that point was leave our stops above here, right? We couldn't put them up here. That would be way too high. So that was our only option if we wanted to be a part of a potential 8:30 move to continue pushing down. So that was it. That was it. Love you, bro. See you tomorrow. Hey, love you, bro. I'll see you tomorrow. Nick, are you from India? Yes, I am from India. Nick from Korea, I thought. Do I look like I'm from India? Oh, GJ, what you gonna do? How much you risk per trade, Nicky? 10 lot. I thought you were Pakistani. No, no, not Pakistan. Pakistan. Can we trade the pineapple up next upcoming days? Yeah, sure, why not?
Hey yo, hey yo.
Oh, Jose.
Hey, yo.
What
Jose.
you doing, Johnny boy?
What's up, Jose?
Nicky Stew.
Jose.
Yo, is it like dim? Like, is my camera dim?
Little bit.
Yeah, I like switch my desk around. That's why I don't have a camera on, because it's like earlier in the morning. It's like dark. Today I should get my like I got like a little light that hopefully kind of like
Brightens it up.
helps. Yeah, but
Yeah, facts.
it's like dim. I noticed that.
We're a little bit.
Still at the Nasdaq though, reporting live.
He's at the NASDAQ, reporting live.
I saw the
From
check
NASDAQ.
quaking. Auto brightness. Oh, I'll look into it. Hold on.
That was quick.
Nick is from Russia. From Russia.
Dang.
Yeah. Jose, how's it in Naples today?
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh, that did help. It's awesome, man. Yesterday was like really, really hot. It's like any other day in Florida, you know.
Jose, the auto brightness is turned on in the zoom setting.
Yeah, I just turned it off. That boy TK, he knows.
That boy knows everything.
Yeah, it helped. Yeah, no.
Oh, yeah.
What about in Tampa? How's it in Tampa?
Oh, I haven't really
Good.
been outside today. It was I
Yeah.
stepped out for a second earlier. It was not bad, pretty hot. Pretty nice.
Nice, nice. Hero of the day, Jose. Finally woke up. Good morning. Yeah, I've been up.
Jose been up.
I've been up, buddy.
That was a fun weekend we had. We were looking at
It was
40,
super fun.
$50 million
Very fun.
mansions.
Very fun.
See, I think if the chat actually looked at that, they'd question themselves. Like, I would ask myself, do you think those people quit when it got tough?
Oh, yeah, I don't think so.
Facts, yeah.
Those
Facts.
people with the Lambos, you think when it like they had a rough patch, they just quit? They just walked away?
I don't think so.
Definitely not.
Nice push.
Nice. Nice.
they had to return the Lambo to rent a center. Christian, I'm from Naples.
Naples.
Yeah, Nick and Johnny Boy visited Naples. They might be coming down here too.
Yeah, who else is
Sure.
in Naples? Anybody else in Naples? Anybody? Anybody?
You know, Nick, actually, do you know somebody named Jose Carlos?
Possibly.
He's like, he sent me the link to the stream and said, hey, I'm in Naples, let's link. But
Oh, wow.
I don't know who that is. What if
Let's
I get like
link.
robbed or something?
Yeah, we're
Yeah, man, bring all your jewelry. We're going out
Like,
there.
yeah, bring your laptop, bring your iPad, bring your Rolex, and
Bring out the
I just
whole
want to
ocean.
see it.
Tell him.
Tell him to bring out the whole ocean. Tell him to bring out the whole ocean. Let me show you.
Bro from Staples.
Staples.
Oh, I moved to Fort Myers in 5 days. Oh, nice. That's not too far.
Awesome.
Italy? No, not.
Italy.
Nick, what is your strategy?
There's no strategy. I have no strategy. There's zero strategy.
Nothing. We got no strategy.
There is no stretch.
All right, gold not taking anything.
Cards look
GJ
chalked.
not taking nothing. Chat, that's gonna be the day here. That's gonna be Tuesday. It was fun rambling on with you guys, but I must continue on with my day here. It's always a pleasure, obviously. We'll be back tomorrow. We'll show up and we'll do the same damn thing every single day, right? Just stick to our plan, stick to our playbook, do what we do best. And yes, so it was a pleasure today. W's on the way out. Good to see all the W's in the chat. And we will see you guys mañana. Wait, in Florida,
Peace,
aren't
chat.
people just running around in swimsuits all day? Oh no, that was California.
Definitely not.
There you go. Yeah. All right, ladies and gentlemen, love y'all. Hope you guys have a great, fantastic day today. If you took a loss today, don't worry about it. It's just a one day, right? We'll come back tomorrow and we'll get it popping, all right? So I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, rest of your evenings, and we'll see y'all mañana. All right?
See you, boys.
Peace.
Peace, chat.
Peace, y'all.
Peace, boys.
Later, gang.
Peace.
Peace.